Problem number 3, wrong network. In this case, your client was supposed to pay 2 USDT via the MachaChain network, but when making the payment, they used the Ethereum network instead. Because of this mistake, the payment will not be reflected and they will contact you. On other platforms, you have to contact technical support, but on MakaPay, you can solve it in seconds as follows. We click on Payments. Once here, all our transactions appear, including the one with the issue. Right here we see the transaction for 2 USDT, but there is no record of any payment being received. You need to go to the 3 dots to the right of that transaction and click on them. In the menu that opens, you need to click on Recover Tokens. On this page, you will see the error for which you were contacted. Yes, the 2 USDT do appear, but on the Ethereum network. We click on Recover. After waiting for a few more seconds, the process will be complete and you should then close this tab. At this point, you have already successfully recovered the tokens that were previously lost. Now you need to decide whether to issue a refund to your client, or if the tokens are useful to you on that specific network, mark the transaction as paid. To do this, you need to go once again to the 3 dots next to the transaction. To proceed with the transaction, simply click on the button labeled Mark as Paid, and then within the new tab that appears, you will need to click once more on Mark as Paid to confirm. Once you have finished doing this, the status of the order will change to completed, and your client will see their payment successfully reflected in their account.